Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Ram Rebel 1500. It's going to have the 5.7 liter HEMI. It also has a clean Carfax. And as you hear that, that is running smooth as could be. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have a metallic flake in the paint. Got your tow hooks and fog lights up front. Alloy wheels, fixed running boards, and a tint all the way around. And those wind guards could be removed from the windows if you didn't like them. And then you also have power sliding back window, dual exhaust, and four-wheel drive. It does have black and red interior. These are a fabric, and then they have leather appointment. Right there you got your 12-volt power outlet, your HD rubber floor mats, and you also have your storage boxes right there. I'll go ahead and show you the VIN right here. And I will upload still photos as well, as you know we go through this fairly quickly. And as you look down here, you're going to see that it has 68,997 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your stereo controls on the opposite side of the steering wheel that you would control with your fingertips. Your push to talk, your stereo and trip computer toggles, your gear, and cruise control. And as you come down here, you got your push button start, your shifter, 2- and 4-wheel drive, and then your stereo sounding good. You do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And as you see right here, you do have a heated steering wheel, driver and passenger heated seats. And right here you got Wi-Fi hotspot. And then here you can actually jump directly to your backup camera without being in reverse. You see that it is an HD camera with backing guides. And you can actually turn that screen off if you want to. Here are your comfort controls. We'll go ahead and turn those down. And then we'll go ahead and pop that into reverse and then back into park, and that will disable that camera. Turn that screen back on. And everything appears to be working perfectly. And there's your map right there for your navigation. And you do have a 115-volt outlet right here, which is very cool. You also can manually turn these heated seats and steering wheel on. There's your trailering controls. Then your key fobs, you have 2 of them. And that does have a remote start, as you see right there. And then this is your phone charging station. You do have a 12-volt power outlet right here. And then you have a USB auxiliary port and more USBs right here. So plenty of power sources. And that about wraps it up for the interior of this Ram Rebel. Oh, this is the controls for the power sliding back window. Yeah, very clean truck. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean Carfax. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.